Hello everyone. Welcome back to Logic Verify, your go-to channel for electronics, hardware design and career guidance in engineering. Today, we are going to talk about something extremely important, your career as an ECE or E student. If you've been wondering which field should I focus on or how can I make my career successful after ECE or E, then this video is for you. So, stay tuned till the end. The scope of ECE and E. Let's start by understanding what ECE and E students can do after graduation. ECE, Electronics and Communication Engineering, mainly deals with electronics, communication systems, embedded systems, VLSI, IoT, and signal processing. E, Electrical and Electronics Engineering, focuses on power systems, electrical machines, renewable energy, instrumentation, and control systems. Both branches have huge career potential, but the trick is to choose the right domain based on your interest and market demand. Career domains for ECE students. If you are an ECE student, here are some high-demand domains where you can excel. 1. VLSI and ASIC Design. Designing chips for electronics. Companies like Intel, AMD, and Qualcomm hire freshers in VLSI. 2. Embedded systems and IoT. Programming microcontrollers, creating smart devices. Industries like automotive, robotics, and consumer electronics love embedded engineers. 3. Signal processing and communication. Working on 5G satellite communication and networking systems. 4. Electronics design and PCB layout. Designing circuits and PCBs for devices. 5. Software and firmware for electronics. Combining coding with electronics is a superpower in today's world. Pick one core domain, but also learn programming and tools that complement it. For example, VLSI plus SystemVerilog or Embedded Systems plus C++. Career domains for E-students. For E-students, your strength lies in power, control, and energy systems. Here's where you can shine. 1. Power systems and grid engineering. Designing and maintaining power plants and distribution networks. 2. Renewable energy and smart grids, solar, wind, and sustainable energy projects are booming. 3. Instrumentation and control, automation in industries, robotics, and smart manufacturing. 4. Electrical machines and drives, motors, drives, and industrial applications. 5. Electric vehicles, EVs. This is a massive growth area for electrical engineers today. Tip: try combining your core domain with software or automation skills. For example, Python plus power systems, or embedded plus EV systems. Skills that make you stand out. No matter which branch you are in, there are a few skills that make any engineer highly employable. Programming and scripting: Python, C, MATLAB, or Verilog for ECE students. Hardware and software tools: Cadence, MATLAB Simulink, LabVIEW, or FPGA development. Hands-on projects: don't just study theory, build something like circuits, IoT devices, robots, or simulations. Problem-solving and critical thinking: companies love engineers who can analyze and solve real-world problems. Continuous learning: industry trends change fast. Stay updated with courses, certifications, and new technologies. Remember, a fresher who shows practical knowledge and hands-on projects always stands out during interviews. Choosing your path. Here's how you can decide your career path. 1. Identify your interests. Do you like electronics, power, or coding? 2. Research industry demand. Check which technologies are growing and hiring trends. 3. Start projects and internships early. It builds your resume and confidence. 4. Learn complementary skills. For example, ECE plus AI ML or E plus IoT automation. 5. Set short-term and long-term goals. Know where you want to be in 1, 3, and 5 years. The key is to specialize but stay adaptable. The industry values both expertise and flexibility. So, friends, whether you are an ECE or E student, the opportunities are endless. The secret is to pick a domain, master it, and combine it with practical skills. If you follow this path, you can not only get good jobs but also grow in high-demand technologies like VLSI, embedded systems, EVs, or renewable energy. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, Share it with your friends and subscribe to Logic Verify for more career guidance, technical tips, and practical learning for engineers.